Today's lesson is on 3 verbs that often confuse students: see, look, and watch. The 3 of them have to do with the eyes, but deciding which one to use in a sentence is sometimes confusing. In today's lesson, I'll show you the difference between them and you will learn exactly when to use each of them in sentences. Okay? Let's begin with the first one, see. Use see when you notice something naturally or accidentally. So if you notice something naturally or accidentally without any effort, no effort is needed, then use see. Okay? Now let's look at examples here so that you understand exactly when and how to use it in a sentence. Okay? Our first example is number 1. I blank a snake while walking home. Here, you're just walking on the road and you noticed a snake accidentally. Then see is the right word to use. The sentence suggests past action, so we use the past tense of see, which is saw. I saw a snake while walking home. Next example is number 4. Can you blank the stars tonight? Here you are asking someone if he or she notice the stars naturally. So if it has to do with noticing something naturally, then see is to be used. Can you see the stars tonight? Next is number 5. I can blank the moon tonight. Here, the sentence suggests that the moon is visible. That means I can notice it naturally without any effort. So, see is the right word. I can see the moon tonight. Without any effort, I can notice it because it is visible. Okay? Next example is number 6. Did you blank my car? Here, you are asking if someone noticed the car naturally without making any effort. So, C is correct. Did you see my new car? Now, let's look at when to use look. To look means to direct your eyes towards something intentionally. That means here you are not just seeing, you are to direct your eyes. You are to direct your eyes to something intentionally. What this means is that for you to look, you must make effort. Look is usually followed by the preposition at. So anytime you use at in your expression, look should be the right word to use, not see or watch. Now let's look at 4 examples here so that you understand better, okay? Our first example is number 2. Blank closely at the painting. Here you can see we have the word at. Also, for you to notice the painting, you need to make effort. It will not just happen accidentally. You need to direct your eyes. So look is correct. Look closely at the painting. Our next example is number 7. Please blank at the board. You can see we have at here. Also, the sentence suggests that you need to direct your eyes to the board. So if it requires directing the eyes, look is correct. Please look at the board. Next example is number 8. The children blank at the picture. We have at in the sentence, and the children are required to make effort to turn the eyes to the picture. So here the eyes need to be directed to the picture. Look is correct. The sentence suggests past action, so we put it in the past tense. Looked. The children looked at the picture. The last example is number 9. Blank at this beautiful flower. Here, you are giving someone instruction to direct the eyes to the beautiful flower. Look is perfect here. Look at this beautiful flower. Now we are through with see and look. Let's find out how watch is different from look and see. To watch is to observe something carefully for some time. Observe something carefully for some time. So use watch when you are to observe something carefully for a period of time. Okay? Now let's look at 4 examples here so that you understand exactly when and how to use it in a sentence. Okay? First example is number 3. We were blank the kids play in the park. Here the kids are playing and that requires action. We were observing them. We were observing the play in the park. So we were watching. Play suggests that action is involved and it continues for some time. So watch is correct to use here. Next example is number 10. We blank a football match yesterday. You can see we have football here, football match, which requires movement or action. We don't just see or look at movement, we observe. So using watch here is correct. We watched a football match yesterday. It's a past action, so watched. Next, he asked us to blank the experiment yesterday. You can see we have experiment here, which requires observation. Careful observation. So you don't just see or look at experiment, you need to observe carefully. So watch is the right word here. He asked us to watch the experiment carefully. Next example is number 12. They blank a basketball game. We have a game here, basketball game. It requires action or movement. So you don't see or look at action, you observe. That means watch is the right word. They watched a basketball game. 13, which is the last question for you to answer in the comment section. Suddenly, I blank someone wearing the same shirt as me. What do you think about this one? Remember, we have suddenly here. This should give you a clue. See, look, or watch. Type your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next class.